Hey, Chef Isabella here with Mansfield ISD Student Nutrition with Try Something New for September 2019. We're going to be making fruit with salad. We're going to start with our strawberries by rinsing and picking through them. Next, we're going to rinse and pick through our blueberries, and if you happen to find any with a stem, go ahead and remove those stems. Drain those well, put them in a bowl to the side. Now we're going to rinse off our spring mixed lettuce, but feel free to use whatever type of lettuce you prefer. We also want this to dry off really good, so shake it out. There we go. Now we're going to slice our strawberries. You can leave your strawberries whole, you can cut off the tops, or you can quarter and slice them. It's up to you how you cut them. And if you happen to find any with a bad spot, cut it off, set it to the side. All right. All our strawberries are sliced up nicely. So here's our salad building station. Start with some lettuce, a few strawberries, a couple of blueberries. We're going to top this with our homemade blueberry vinaigrette, but feel free to use the dressing of your choice. And now we're going to top it with a little feta cheese, but feel free to use goat cheese as well. And here's our completed salad. Make sure to turn in your Try Something New recipe contest submissions by October 18th. Thank you to Isabella for submitting this family recipe. And we look forward to seeing you on Friday, September 20th at all Mansfield ISD elementary schools during lunch to try fruit with salad.